This is the step-by-step tutorial for our Trend Look Autumn Winter 2014-15. Firstly, perfect matte is applied to prepare the skin and to prevent shine. To prep the eyes, I've used eyeshadow primer. I have used one of our Dermacolour wheels to conceal. This is a highly pigmented concealer. The colour Icy Blush is used from the Glamour Glow range to highlight the brow bone. The colour Blush Rose from the same range is swept over the mobile part of the eyelid. Mixing colours Anise and Caraway from the Viva Matte range applied to the socket. Continue with the same two colours and sweep under the bottom lash line. Then apply Silver from the Viva Brilliant range to the centre of the eyelid. Choosing eyebrow powder dark, apply to the eyebrow using an angled brush. Kajal Black is applied to the waterline. Apply TV5 eyelashes to enhance the look. Cream liner is a water-resistant product. Apply the colour Ebony along the lash line. Apply volumizing mascara to define the lashes. Micro Foundation Cream Palette number 2 was the foundation choice for this look. I used the Premium Defining Brush to buff in the foundation. From the same palette, choose a lighter colour to highlight the cheekbones. To enhance the cheek, we use the colour R9. You can find this in the Arcade 10 palette. To complete this look, apply from our classic lipstick range the colour 639. This look represents the countdown to springtime, flirty yet classic, inspired by 50s Baroque.